Okay, so I've just checked my phone, and the reminder is telling me holiday. Holiday. All packed and ready to go.
Yeah, 2 times.
Hi guys, morning. Yes, so we are off on our holidays to Turkey. We're all packed. It's been, you know how it is when you're going on holiday. It's so stressful packing and everything. But we are finally packed. We're waiting for our taxi to come and we're on our way to Heathrow.
Yes. Please, what?
We are ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're in the taxi now. Nice and early, 9 AM in the morning. It's the same for us really. It's like doing the school run, but we're not going to school. Isn't it, Oaks? Where are we going?
Turkey.
We're going to Turkey, but where are we going?
Holiday.
Yay! You excited?
I am.
It's a beautiful day to leave London. We almost don't want to leave because temperature here is going to hit 40 degrees, you know, and you can just feel the vibe already. It just feels so good. In Istanbul, Turkey. Such a lovely flight. Just getting ready to undo our seat belts and get off and get our baggage and everything. So yeah, it was really nice, wasn't it? We have arrived safely. We are now in Istanbul in this massive airport, which is so lovely. Oh my goodness, so lovely. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. I really hope you are having a fantastic day and the weather in London is bearable for you guys. I know the temperature is hitting like 40 degrees. We've actually had messages come over our phones about Oakley School closing early today. So today is Tuesday the 19th of July. And yeah, we've had messages on our little WhatsApp group with the school saying that they're going to be closing the school at 12 o'clock and people should come and take their children, you know, because apparently over there in London, in the UK, it's hitting 40 degrees, which is really hot, you know. Over here it's about the same temperature, but there's, as you can see in the background, there's a nice breeze. There's Oakley just down here, guys. You can see him. So over here where I'm staying in Istanbul, it's actually around the same temperature, but there's a breeze with it as well. We are staying in like the remote village side of Istanbul. It's really lovely, really remote. Sort of back to basics. The house is really beautiful. I'm just going to take you inside now. I'm just going to bring you into the room that we're staying in, and it's this room here. I'm going to take you through and then just go past. I'm not even going to go bring the camera lower down because you're going to see the carnage of our unpacking our cases. But I'm going to take you through to the balcony, which is where I was standing just now. So this is our little balcony door. It's going to open it up, come out. We have this lovely, beautiful view. I mean, look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing view. Stunning. Effendim. So we have our own bathroom. So this is our bathroom here, and it's really lovely. I love the colour of the tiles. There's like a grey and brown tone, and it's like large sort of subway tiles. Really large subway tiles. Got a little window there, a shower just here, and just put some of our toiletries out on the side there, or some of my toiletries out there. It's a lovely marble sink as well, and lovely marble worktop. Yep, so that's the bathroom really. It's got a plug there for the shaver. Hubby's plugged his shaver in just there. Okay, up here is our little living room area or chill out area. We haven't actually used that yet because we just arrived last night. Okay, so it's just really basic. You've got like a sofa bed there that needs a cover put onto it. Yes, a little coffee table and a TV. Okay, so now I'm going to go down the stairs. Bring you down the stairs with me. And down the stairs we've got these lovely ornamental pieces. Lovely marble tiled floors. And under here you've got like a little utility area. And then you've got another bedroom just here. You've got this beautiful bathroom here, which has got like a spa hammam going on in there. Yeah, that's the bathroom there. So you put all your soap and everything in there, and you can scrub your whole body down. You can sit down. It's a sauna. It's a sauna room. This is, yeah. And then you've got like, of course you've got the toilet there, little shelf here with some bits and bobs on, towel rail, and you've got this lovely marble sink there as well. Okay, and then when you come out, you've got this beautiful kitchen. Okay, it's all fitted, and you've got the living room here as well. Stunning, like that, full length cupboards.